Good morning. Oops. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, that's a very nice morning in Brazil, in south of Brazil, just to be clear, because south is always kind of cold. As you guys can see, this morning is kind of bleak. So yeah, it's cold, but it's cool. It's like not cold, it's cool, you know. Super nice weather, and I'm heading to the stray dogs place again every day. Look, a woodpecker! Woodpecker! Wow! They're really rare to see, you know. Let's see if I can catch some. Oh, woodpeckers are really rare to see, you know, especially this time, you know. Every day I come here, but I've never seen one, you know. Oh, I lost it. So sad, really. The woodpecker was in here. I missed it. So sad, really. I don't know where it is right now. But woodpeckers are so beautiful in Brazil. They're like, their bodies are kind of. Let's see. No, this is not it. So their bodies are brown and with white spots, and then the neck is yellow and his tube is black. The head is black. But there are many kinds of woodpeckers in Brazil with red head, you know, red-headed, yellow-headed, and black-headed. So mine here is black-headed. Really cool. So I'm heading to the dog place. They're in there. Hi baby, good morning. There's a delivery for you. Delivery. Delivery, let's go. You are shameless. You are shameless. My Akira. Hi baby. So let's see. Yeah. Well, I take the old food, so I toss it into, you know, there, so the birds can eat it. I love birds so much. And dogs, and all animals, of course, but mostly birds, dogs, and cats. Those are my favorite. I just petted her, so now it's time to go to the water check. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to watch more videos. And regards from Brazil. This is Lucy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.